Hey, welcome back to AO Magic Tricks. Today I'll be showing you a couple coin tricks, and hopefully at the end we'll have time for a performance of a magic trick. Card trick, sorry. So, let's just get in with the first trick. Okay, so I have this coin here, and I'm just going to put it in my right hand, just like there, okay? And I'm going to flip it over in my right hand, just like that. Okay, now watch, if I just rub a little bit, the coin actually disappears. Now this hand's been there the entire time. Watch. The coin appears right under the hand, the opposite hand. That's what the trick looks like, and now how to do it in the tutorial. So this is a really easy trick. All you're gonna do is just take a coin and put it in your right or left hand. If you're right-handed, probably do it in your right hand. Now, all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the coin and I'd say put it like more to the outside if you're left-handed, to put it out there, so it won't fall, so it won't go past your hand. So if you have it there, okay, now you're gonna flip it over, and you're just gonna flip it over into your left hand. I'll slow it down. Okay, so flip it over into that hand, and then you can reveal it any way you want. It's just like you're flipping it over here, but you're actually flipping it over and throwing it into this hand, just like that. So that's how you do the trick. And now for the next coin trick. So I have this coin here, okay, I'm going to take my arm, I'm going to start rubbing it, and believe it or not, the coin is actually disintegrating right as we speak. It's actually disintegrating right now. It's disintegrating as we speak. And watch. The coin actually disappears out of my hand, just like that. I can check everywhere. Nothing in this hand. Nothing. The coin is gone. So that's the performance of the trick, and now if you want to know how to do it, just keep watching, because the tutorial is right now. So for the performance of the trick, all you're going to do is just do what I did in the performance. Just start rubbing, and as you're running, just explain that it's disintegrating right now into your arm, of course, sorry, didn't explain that. And as you're doing that, just drop the coin. Ha, you thought it was an accident, well, it wasn't. So you're just going to start rubbing, you're going to drop the coin, and you're actually not going to pick it up with the coin the hand you're rubbing with. You're going to pick it up with the hand that that's on the arm that you're rubbing into. You're going to pick it up with a hand. Then you're just going to it's going to happen quickly, so the spectator won't really notice. You're just going to pretend to transfer into that other hand, but you actually still have it here. And for this video, I just held it up here on my shoulder. You can see that. Right there. And then I just kept it there for the rest of the video. But you can do plenty of things. You can pick it up, pretend it's in this hand, just ditch it in your lap or something like that. You could even just slap it like this. You could even take the coin, pretend to put it into this hand, and then lap it like that. But yeah, all you're going to do is just keep it in this hand, and then keep rubbing with this into this arm, and the spectator will still think it's in this hand, and then you just show that it disappears, and it's in neither hand, but it's actually now on my shoulder. You can see that there. So that's how you do that trick. And now for the final coin trick, and then maybe for the performance of the card trick. This trick is done, and let me know in the comment section if you want a tutorial for this trick. Okay, so for this trick, I'm going to make this coin go through my other hand, okay? So I'm going to take that coin right there, okay? And you can inspect it. There's nothing different with it. Say just a normal coin, not a bendable coin, anything like that. Now we have my hand right here. I'm going to make this coin go through my hand, watch. It's not my fingers or anything right here. I'm just going to put it over here in my hand. So you can see, I'm just gonna find my sweet spot right here in the hand. It's not in the finger or anything. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, the coin goes right through my hand. Just like that. That's how you do, that's the performance of the final coin trick. And now, real quick, the performance of one of my favorite card tricks. So we have these new deck of cards I just took out of this little magic set I found in my basement a couple weeks ago. So I'm gonna take out the cards. Let's see. Pretty cool. I think I'll be getting a new Theory 11 deck soon, so that should be cool. I can show you those once I get them. I think these are actually pretty new. I don't think anyone's used these yet. They're really nice, actually. So yeah, actually I'll show you these cards right now just to add a little bit more spice to this video. They're nice cards. You can see the front. I don't know what to say about it, but they have like a nice almost like an old feel, like a 1900s feel. I don't know what to, like the front sort of. And then on the back we have this little magician right here with the spades, hearts, clubs, and diamond symbols, and they're overall just a really nice deck. They slide together really nice, as you can see here. Just overall nice cards. They're pretty stiff and long, and not as wide as they are long as normal cards that I use, but they have a really nice feel to them. So let's get on with the trick. Cool little box here too. Not really sure what company they're from, but it says Professor Murphy's Emporium of Entertainment. This is not the right surface to do this on. Anyways, okay, so let's get on with the trick. So we have all these different cards here, and basically we're just gonna go get on with the trick. I'm gonna go through the cards, and I just want to check if there's no jokers in this deck or not. Yeah, there are no jokers. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the cards right here. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at the cards for this part. I'll just look away when I show you the cards. Can you just say stop whenever you want, and I'll say stop somewhere random. Right here? Okay. Take that card, take a look at it. I'm gonna look away for this part. Okay, so I don't know what the card is. I'm just gonna put it on top and then shuffle it into the middle of the deck, just right here. And give it a little bit of a riffle shuffle. Ooh, sorry, just getting used to these new cards. Anyways, you might not think I'm being shuffled, but usually what I do for this trick is hand it over to the spectators when I give it a shuffle. But I'll just show you the cards. So basically, what we're doing here, okay, I'll show you that these cards are actually shuffled. See, we have this side here, and we have this side here going into each other. You can see I can lay them out. These cards are really being shuffled, as you can see, being shuffled into one another. That is clearly being seen. Okay, so now we're going to look at the top card. We have all these cards here. Very nice cards, right, by the way. They just feel really good in my hands. The top card is the Ace of Diamonds. We have the Ace of Diamonds right there. I'm going to flip that Ace of Diamonds over. I'm going to put it right there. Can you put your finger on it? For the sake, I have a finger, so I'm going to put the deck on top right there. No way I can get to that. So now I'm just going to cut the cards. We have the Ace of Diamonds under your finger, or the deck. And, am I right in saying that your card is the Six of Spades? Yeah, okay. Well, the Ace of Diamonds has been there the entire time, right? We'll watch. Ace of Diamonds has been there the entire time. And the Ace of Diamonds comes right into my hand. So under here must be your card, the Six of Spades, just like that. Thanks for watching this coin trick and this cool little magic trick. Let me know if you want to see more of these cards, if I should keep them around. I think I'll be getting a new deck pretty soon, Theory 11 deck. Probably like a Black Hudson or something like that. So yeah, so just let me know what you think about this, and like and subscribe. Thanks very much.